Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about something very simple and useful for your daily life, and that is how to spend a full day in a good, balanced, and enjoyable way.
Yes, and this kind of conversation is very helpful for English learners because you can listen to natural sentences, understand how people speak in real life, and slowly improve your speaking and listening skills.
Exactly. And today's topic is very easy to connect with because everyone has a daily routine and everyone wants their day to feel better, more organized, and more meaningful.
So today, instead of both of us talking again and again, I will share how I spend my whole day from morning to night in a simple and detailed way so that you can imagine everything clearly and maybe learn something useful for your own routine.
Yes, and while listening, you can focus on the sentences, the words, and the flow of speaking because that will really help you improve your English naturally.
So let's begin. And I will tell you how I usually spend my entire day in a calm, simple, and balanced way. My day usually begins early in the morning when everything around me is still quiet and peaceful, and I wake up slowly without rushing, giving myself a few minutes to adjust and feel present in the moment. I don't immediately pick up my phone because I want my mind to stay calm and fresh. So instead, I sit quietly on my bed, take a few deep breaths, and think about how I want my day to go, which helps me feel more focused and relaxed. After that, I drink a glass of water because it makes me feel refreshed and helps my body wake up properly. And then I move on to doing some light stretching or simple exercises that gently activate my body. Sometimes I go for a short walk outside, especially if the weather's nice, because the fresh air and soft morning light make me feel peaceful and positive, and it gives a very good start to my day. Then I come back, take a bath, and get ready for the day, choosing comfortable clothes that make me feel relaxed, but also prepared to do my work properly. After getting ready, I prepare my breakfast, and I try to keep it simple but healthy, like fruits, toast, eggs, or something light that gives me energy without making me feel heavy. I eat my breakfast slowly, without rushing, and without using my phone too much, because I want to enjoy my food and stay present in that moment, which makes me feel more satisfied. Once I finish my breakfast, I clean my space a little, arrange my table, and make sure everything around me looks neat, because a clean environment helps me feel more organized and focused. Then I sit down and think about what I want to do during the day. Not in a very strict way, but just a simple plan in my mind so that I don't feel confused or distracted later. After that, I begin my main work or study, starting with the most important task because my mind feels fresh in the morning and I can focus better on difficult things. I usually work for about 1 hour with full concentration, and then I take a short break because working continuously for too long can make me feel tired and reduce my focus. During my break, I stand up, stretch my body, drink some water, and sometimes just look outside or walk around for a few minutes, which helps me feel refreshed. I try not to use my phone too much during breaks because it can distract me and make the break longer than planned. After the break, I return to my work again with more energy, and I continue this cycle until I finish my important tasks for the day. Once I complete my main work, I take a slightly longer break where I relax properly, maybe by listening to music, having a cup of tea, or just sitting quietly and enjoying the calm atmosphere, which helps me feel peaceful. Sometimes I go outside for a short walk during this time because changing the environment helps me feel lighter and more relaxed. After that, I move on to lighter tasks like replying to messages, organizing things, or planning for the next day because these tasks do not require too much concentration. Then comes lunchtime, and I try to keep it simple and healthy, avoiding very heavy or oily food so that I don't feel sleepy or tired afterward. After lunch, I take a short rest, maybe sitting quietly or lying down for a few minutes, but I avoid sleeping for too long because that can make me feel lazy and affect my night sleep. In the afternoon, I like to do something that I enjoy, like reading a book, writing, or learning something new, because I believe every day should include something that makes me happy and helps me grow. If I feel a little tired, I choose lighter activities instead of forcing myself to do something difficult, because listening to my body is very important. As the day moves towards evening, I slowly reduce my work and start doing more relaxing activities because it is time to unwind and let go of the day's stress. In the evening, I might go for a walk, talk to my friends or family, or just sit quietly and enjoy the calm atmosphere, which helps me feel peaceful. I try to stay away from too much screen time during this time because I want my mind to relax and not feel overloaded. Then comes dinner, and I usually eat something light and simple because heavy food at night can make it difficult to sleep comfortably. After dinner, I spend a quiet time, maybe listening to soft music, reflecting on my day, or thinking about what I did well and what I can improve. I also prepare a little for the next day, like organizing my things or planning small tasks, so that my next morning feels easy and not stressful. Before going to bed, I avoid using my phone too much because I want my mind to slow down and prepare for rest. Finally, I go to sleep at a reasonable time so that I can wake up fresh the next morning and start a new day with energy and a positive mindset.
That was really simple, clear, and very easy to imagine, Jesse. And I think many people can learn from this routine.
Yes, Bob. And the best part is that it is not too strict. It feels natural and balanced.
And if you are learning English, listening to this kind of full day description can really help you understand sentence flow and improve your speaking.
Exactly. So try to listen again, repeat sentences, and slowly practice speaking like this.
And we will continue with more helpful conversations like this.
See you in the next part.
If you like our videos, please do not forget to subscribe our channel.
Thank you for watching.